Yo, back at it again with another trading day. And today we're going to have a great chat about what an order block is. First of all, I hope y'all are doing well. Let's get down to business. We got some videos to make up still that I got to get on. And today we're just going to start with this order block stuff, man. It's going to be fun. It's going to be quick because order blocks are literally everywhere. And I'm going to start off by talking about basically, mm, hey, where are you? Text. What is a order block? Okay, put a little question mark on that in the back. Okay, so basically, what an order block is an area on the chart where orders are filled. So, to basically dumb it down for myself and for yourself, it's kind of like this zone where market makers know that people are buying or selling, and they want price to keep coming back into that place for people to buy or sell the stock, right? Or to the currency or the index or whatever, right? And based off of these order blocks, right? Why are they useful to us if we know when this is happening? Is for the reason that we know when price is going to come and touch into the order block, and price is going to shoot up or price is going to shoot down. So it's something like this. All right, let's have a little fun with this. We got this line. Imagine these two lines right here. We got a bunch of candles coming in this area, right? We got candles coming in here. We got candles forming here. We got candles here. We got candles going up here. Then we got candles that are coming here, just touching this area, right? And then we got candles shooting up past it, right? And so on and so forth. Then we got another candle coming on, and then we just get one big ass candle that goes and finds its way up top, okay? So this area that I marked out, that is an order block, right? And an order block basically is a confirmation tool for us to know that if price goes into this order block, that price is going to shoot up. So basically, it helps us find entry into a trade, right? So this is why they're useful to us. So as you guys can see, the candlesticks are moving up, right? And this area, right now, I'll show you how to spot an order block, is where the order block is. And when the candlestick moves up, it's past the order block, comes back in, touches the order block, goes up, comes back in, touches the order block, goes up. So this confirmation of the order block here is that we can set that this area is when price goes into and goes off of. We know that as a confirmation tool that price is going to move in a certain direction for us, right? And today's just going to be a short video, and we're really just going to be talking about how you spot these things, right? How do you spot order blocks? Where are they? They're literally everywhere, and they're very, very easy to spot. Okay, so key things about an order block right here. Okay, look, we got an order block on the 4 hour, so I'm just going to mark that out for us. Okay, it starts from here. Okay, so an order block, again, be Russian myself, okay, can only be formed in two ways. If we have a leg up and a leg down, right? So market moving up, then market moving down. Only one of these legs can be assessed as an order block. The way I like to do it is based off of your daily trend, right? So if you have, listen, if you're bullish on the day, you're looking for leg up order blocks. And if you're bearish on the day, you're looking for leg down order blocks. Okay, if that makes sense to you guys. You follow your bias, and that is how you decide which order block to use, the leg up or the leg down. So going back to the order block that I had previously mentioned, right? So this is a leg down order block, right? Here to here. what you can see is when this order block was formed, and order blocks will always take out previous areas of liquidity. So you can see that previous areas of liquidity that are coming up, this is a bit low here, so we wouldn't actually classify this as an order block altogether. A better order block for us would be here. Look at that one. That one's a better order block for us. Okay? Even that isn't a great order block. Ooh. Now we gotta find this order block. They're literally everywhere. And it just seems to be that we cannot find one on this leg up before leg down. We call this an order block here. This is an order block. You guys see that? Leg down, leg up. Okay? So this can be used as a confirmation tool for us with a lot other of our confirmations based on the day, that if this was bullish or bearish, right? You can see that price came in to this area. That was the order block range, right? My apologies for changing that right here. Where the order block range is, right here. Man, I hate this. Okay, where the order block range is from here to here. Price came up. You guys can see that it pushed down, pushed down, pushed down, and then it shot up again, right? So this could have been an entry point for us, and price pushed down again, went into the order block, pushed up again, and before market closed, it went into the order block, and now we're going to find out how it's going to move when market opens. And most likely, depending if it is a bullish day, it's going to move up, right? So an order block basically is a variant for you to see that when is price coming into the order block, right? Now, I'm going to try to look for another example here because they're literally everywhere. I'm going to try to find one on the 1 hour. Okay. Yeah, you guys can see this. This is a bearish order block right here. Look at that. What do we see again and again? Price came out of the order block, right? Okay, so we're gonna take some time here, and I'm gonna show you guys this in detail. Okay, price is right here and right here. Okay, this is our order block range. The full leg down before the leg up. Okay, this isn't an order block, right? Could be classified, but I rather not take it. And it takes out previous areas of liquidity right here. So all this is where orders can be filled. You guys can see that. All this range is where orders were filled in the past. By, you can tell that the liquidity sweep here. And you have this order block right here. So price pushed up, price pushed down, stayed, we consolidated within the order block, but once it left the order block right here, right? So day trading, remember, this is an hourly chart. So in day trading, particularly when you're trading just short term, so shorter time frames usually show you more. If you're just trying to trade very short term, an hourly day trade is what I like to mark out for future trades, so I know that, okay, market's going to move this way. So if I was to take this trade per se, right, this was on the 11th of Feb, and when this trade makes sense for me to take is on the 17th of Feb, so it will be marked out. And as soon as I see that the price went into this order block and it started shooting down, right, I'm trying to catch that. I am literally trying to catch that. And I would set my stop loss slightly above right here, previous areas of liquidity. Honestly, you can set it right here too. It just depends what are you comfortable with. Or you can even catch this order block on this path right here. Look at that. If that's a trade for your day, look at that, guys. 11 o'clock, you enter the trade. You set previous areas of liquidity as your take profit. So take profit 1. You would not be hitting your take profit 2, but, and we're going to get into this take profit and everything, but do you guys see how easy it is to cite when you're playing on the long term? But if I go down and I say, let's The way we would actually do it is go down to the 15-minute. I like to look for 15-minute order blocks on the day. Some things will never change. Okay. And just to show you guys how easy they are to spot and find, we're going to try to look up for a leg up or order block now. Okay, cool. Cool. Okay. Right here, guys. Right? You have that order block. Prices in the order block shoots up, goes up for a bit, comes back into the order block. See, this is the region where this is why price is so attracted to this area, is because this is where orders are being filled. So whenever price comes into this, it's either people are buying or shorting, buying or shorting. So if you see that, okay, price came into this order block here, you're playing at a small time frame, right? You're exiting here. You see it came into the order block at 79, exited the order block at 82. If you're putting in enough amount of lots, that is a good take profit. And that is called day trading. You're in that trade for 45 minutes. 45 minutes is what you're in that trade for. And you've made money. As soon as you've seen that it's coming into the order block here, where was this? It's coming into the order block here. You catch the break of structure right there. Remember, I want to put this stuff together on our next order block video. So right now, I'm just going to keep showing you guys how to find order blocks. Okay. Okay. Right here again, order blocks, literally everywhere. If you are doing the work, you will see them everywhere. Look at that. Okay. Order block here. Follow the trend. And this is why you have to do pre-market search, right? Pre-market is very important, and I'm going to teach you guys how to do that later on as well. But let's clarify order blocks today. You get in here, you got your order block, price tapped into order block, all right, came out, broke, came right here, you broke structure, boom, ride that wave, right? Catching at 81, selling at 77. Like, tell me this doesn't work. It's that easy. It's literally that easy. All you have to have the ability to do is do pre-market research, find, and this is like, think about this now. This is how we've built up so far. We have our daily bias, finding the trend, liquidity sweep, order block. And we're going to put this all together in the next video. But all I need you guys to do is go through it, mark out order blocks, see, okay, price tapped in, and then price shot down. Price tapped in, and then price shot down. Okay, or price tapped in and price shot up, because that is where orders are being filled. Price likes to reconsolidate at that area. And never forget, it is always, if you have a leg down and a leg up, only one of that area can be your order block. Okay, so this will be my order block. Both of them cannot be my order block. Leg down, right? Then you see this area, this order up. This wouldn't even be an order block because it's not taking out previous highs, right? This is taking out previous lows right there, right? We're above, we're below that. So you guys can see that order blocks are very simple to follow. They're literally everywhere. Price always reconsolidates into them and always wants to go into them because that's where orders are being filled, and you guys can take advantage of that. Okay? It's very simple, very short video of talking about order blocks today. Y'all have a really good day. We're going to be back at it again tomorrow, and I'm going to show y'all how to put everything together that we have so far, and we're going to keep building off of that, okay? Peace out.